two-box break 2015 Tristar Signature Series. And it's our box numbers 5939 and 5940. Here's a list of everybody in on the break being copied and pasted into random.org. And we're going to send this through 7 times. I'm going to load this up a little bigger for everybody. Let me see here. Yeah, that's right. We're sending it through 7 times. And we'll see who gets what last name letter after 7. Good luck, everybody. Here's number 1. That's right, 18 total spots. Number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. There's our list, everybody. After 7 times through the randomizer, Arturo's at the top. Brad P, you're down at the bottom of that list. I'm copying the entire list, pasting it into our TriStar spreadsheet over here. Boom. Blowing it up nice and big. Arturo, AQ&E, my friend. Brian H.B., Martin B.C., William B.D., Martin B.F., Brad P.G. You can see your letter right here. This is going to be up during the break, so you'll be able to reference this, and hopefully I want to get everybody a big hit, so we can get everybody some big hits here today that's looking to score. Good luck. TriStar Signature Series. Get yourself a big hit in here and just pull something amazing out. Pull something amazing. What is this? Who is it? Maybe you can recognize it from there. Do you recognize the auto? Oh, it's Jeff Bagwell. Jeff Bagwell comes out for Brian H., who owns the letter B. Jeff Bagwell. Nice going. On the Bagwell, Brian H. And that is an authenticated autograph. 1999, I think, is his rookie year. Huh. That's cool. That is very, very cool. Does anybody know with 100% certainty if that's his rookie year? I think it is. This is from an Astros. This is a response to an Astros fan. This is very interesting. That is so cool, man. I think for some reason I thought Bagwell was older than 99. Jeff Bagwell's older than 99 rookie year. But anyway, let's confirm our hit. Way to go, Brian H. Oh, yeah, okay, 91 Rookie of the Year. So that's just cool. It's a nice piece, and it shows just what kind of character Jeff Bagwell has. I like that a lot. That is solid. Way to go, Brian H. in the first of 2 in this 2-box break. Next up out of the Signature Series is, well, what's it going to be? Looks like some kind of a card here. Oh, man. Is that Joe DiMaggio? It looks like it could be letter D. It is a Joe DiMaggio cut sig. Oh, my. Joe DiMaggio autograph cut sig encased. A letter D owner, William B., comes away big. Oh, wow. Oh, my. And his last name letter in the letter D owner is William B. That is just terrific. The first box was a Jeff Bagwell auto. Now we've hit a Joe DiMaggio cut sig. Wow. Very, very cool. It's got its certificate. It's authenticated. And it's very, very neat. That is awesome. And Joe DiMaggio signed that. So that's very, very cool. Pretty awesome stuff. Coming out of Signature Series. That is tremendous. William B. with the letter D, and B owner, Brian H., pulls a Bagwell. And that is our two-box break, 59, 39, and 59, 40.